Hello people, today I will tell you how to get a US mobile number for people that non-citizen United States, you know. Let me start. I will tell you that we can take for a mobile number for free, which you can use to verify PayPal account or Amazon seller account. So let me tell you how. Let's go and find postal codes in United States to choose one. So these are the states of United States. So let's choose one. Let's get California or Alabama or every one you like to choose. And let's get a city of it. Let's get Los Angeles. So these are the postal codes of Los Angeles. We are going to get one from Beverly Hills. So this will be the postal code that we need to choose the mobile number of which state we want. So let's go. The mobile number we can get it. So text now. This is I have got it, and but I will get you how to get a new number. I will show you. So let me go at another. Text now officer site. So here we are. Text and call online for free, only for free. So we can log in with Facebook or with Google. So we can open an account with here in text now. Let me connect you with Google. With my account in Google, I can connect text now. Let's waiting for a while. So at this time, we can get our number. Here we will put the postal codes that we find here. Let's make copy. Let's go in and to paste. Sorry. Let's go continue. I agree. Okay, and at this moment we will get the mobile number. Got it. Your number is here. So with this number you can do you can verify your PayPal account or also and Amazon seller account for non-US citizens, for people that are not in United States. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.